Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. It was morning when I filmed this, as you can probably tell. Today we're doing one of my favorite go-to colorful looks. Just missing something. One moment, please. There we go. Much better. Let's begin. First, we're going to prime my face with my Smashbox primer water for something for my foundation to stick to and some extra hydration. Using my favorite mix of Loreal Infallible Pro Glow in 203 and Pro Coverage in 303 and just dotting it all over the face. Really liberally. Then taking a damp beauty blender to bounce it all in. Layering the Hourglass Vanish stick in Porcelain for extra coverage along the places where I need it the most. And taking Tarte Shape Tape, oh beans, I'm almost out, for some highlight. And blend it in. Blend, 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 blend. To set the face, I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder with a damp beauty sponge and baking it in all of my creasing areas. Under the eyes, the eyelids, the chin, the nose, definitely my smile lines, and then lightly setting the rest of the face with the same powder and a brush. Let's move on to eyeshadow, shall we? For the lid, I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, taking the shade Pooter, just giving my crease a little depth, keeping the lid natural so I can focus all the attention on the lower lash line later. With my NYX matte liquid liner, I'm gonna say a little prayer to the makeup gods and attempt a fierce swing. Good enough. Once I've achieved my mediocre wing, I'm using the NYX retractable eyeliner in Aqua Green as an eyeshadow base for the lower lash line. And smoking that out with the shade Jada on the inner third of the lash line. Then taking the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Dream Street palette in the shade Water Bearer to smoke out the outer third, creating a gradient from light to dark. Layer is needed, which will be a lot. Then taking Pool Party on the inner corner for a pop of metallic brightness. Then using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, I'm finishing off the eyeshadow look with Lucky Clover foiled with some primer water. Apply liberally to the inner corner and brow bone. That's it for eyeshadow. I'm going to pop on some mascara and lashes and be right back. Alright, lashes are on. Using that same NYX eyeliner, I'm lining my waterline. Let's bronze this face with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with a big old brush around the perimeter of the face. Then further carving with Kevyn Aucoin Sculpting Powder in medium with an angled contour brush. This is a MAC 168. One of my only brushes to not have the numbers completely worn off. As usual, I'm taking Tarte Blush Bazaar and Authentic and Endless for a cooler, more neutral flush. God, this kit has every blush shade. And back into Moonlight Glow Kit to highlight the cheekbones with Lucky Clover. And layering on top with ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Stole the Show, because why the fuck not? Hit the Cupid's bow, tip of the nose, bridge, and above the brow bone. With my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown, I'm adding a few freckles here and there, mostly to cover up that acne. Softening with a little blush on the bridge of the nose and layering more highlight because I'm a monster. For lips, I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Alien. and of course setting with All Nighter. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a comment down below telling me what you think and what you want to see next. Oh, and hit that subscribe button if you like. I appreciate you all very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.